In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour on how to make a fused glass design using the Glass Tattoo stencil system. I've already placed the stencil on the base glass and I'm filling the first cavity with this lime green Glass Tattoo goo color. The next step is to use my spreader knife to level off the color and then scrape the excess off onto this scrap piece of glass. I'll put that color back into the bottle later. I'll use this turquoise for the turtle's legs. Use a damp cloth to clean the previous color off the knife, and then smooth those turquoise sections, keeping the knife very flat. I don't want to gouge into the sections. The final cavity is the turtle's head, and we'll use a light blue for that. Now we'll add some surface decorations. These areas will not be smoothed off with the knife. We're going to leave them right on the top of the previous color. This is wet on wet. I've added black dots to the main body, so let's put some red dots on the legs. And we'll use this marigold yellow to put a nice squiggly line right in between those red dots. Notice how the color goes down like a wet string. Very easy to work with. Notice I'm being very careful to not touch the stencil with the bottle nozzle so I don't smear the color. We're ready to lift off the stencil. Grab those two tabs and lift straight up very slowly to reveal the multicolored stencil design underneath. Let's finish the design with a simple spaghetti stringer border. Break 4 stringers the correct length, add a dab of color to each corner to hold the stringers, then finish off by placing one final dab back on top to ensure the stringers stay put. Let's add a little more detail to the borders just to fancy it up a bit. A couple of blue dots on each corner, a marigold yellow stripe down between those two blue dots, and just a turquoise dot on the very end of the marigold. That should make a nice looking corner design. And that's it. We're ready to put our piece into the kiln. Look at how gorgeous that is. So I'll let it dry overnight and then place it on a prepared kiln shelf into the kiln and fire it to your favorite fuse level. I like to leave a little texture, so I take mine to the contour level. And here's the final result. Simple, easy, and spectacular. The Glass Tattoo stencil system.